Hello everybody, welcome to Khalif Academy. Today we have the part 1 of the series of describing yourself as beginner, intermediate and advanced. So I thought about making 3 parts, not to make it too long for you and also to make you focus. Whoever is a beginner, he will watch this video. That goes for intermediate and advanced too. So we have some of the very basic adjectives for most of the beginner speakers of the English language. So I thought about making these words easy, simple, and also there are 10. It's not too much. If you use these adjectives, they'll be enough for you. If I missed any of the beginner or the basic adjectives, please comment down and let me know. So as you know, to describe yourself, we need to use the verb to be. And also, most of the time, the present simple or the present version of the verb to be. I am, he, she, it, and singular nouns is, you, we, they, and plural nouns are. For example, I am a shy person. I feel nervous around people. I feel inconfident. I feel I'm not enough to talk to people or to meet new people. For example, he's a shy person. He has big problems to start a conversation. Friendly. Friendly is kind of the opposite of shy. For example, someone who likes to help his friends or her friends. Someone who always there for you. Someone who's always smiling and positive. He's a very friendly person. He helped us carrying the bags. Or, I am a friendly person. I always be there for my friends. Smart is someone who is intelligent, someone who's hardworking most of the time, someone who's always smiling and have a great vision. For example, I am a smart person, I can speak 4 languages. Lazy. We always suffer from that person. The lazy person. Me personally, the lazy students. I have big problems with them. However, I always try to motivate them and make them become a little bit more hardworking. For example, he's a lazy person. He never tidies his room. Or he's a lazy person. He never does his homeworks on time. We have rude. I don't see rude most of the time as a negative characteristic feature because sometimes, and I mean very few sometimes, very few times, you need to be a little bit rude. You need to learn how to say no to people. Because if someone is rude to you, you should be rude to him or her too. For example, he's a rude person. He didn't give the old lady a seat. Or he's a rude person. He said the food was terrible, although I spent hours cooking for him. We have tidy. Oh, this is absolutely me. Someone who's always obsessed with categorizing things and someone who's obsessed with making things according to the alphabetic order. For example, he's a very tidy person. He always cleans his room as soon as he wakes up. Or, I'm a tidy person. I always clean my desk before starting to work. We have generous. Generous, someone who always to give and never expect back. Although I have to admit, most of the time I am a generous person, but I have a little bit of expectation from the person whom I give something. He's a very generous person. He gave me this expensive watch on my birthday. Or he's a generous person. He gave me his house without paying nothing. Crazy. That is absolutely me. I am fun. I'm a crazy person. I like to make jokes. I like to make people around me feel thrilled and happy and positive. For example, he's a crazy person. He always does dangerous things. Outgoing. That's not me most of the time. Someone who always like to go outside, have a walk, be in the nature, be in the cafe, go walk, talk, and meet new people. He's an outgoing person. He meets lots of people every day. Or he's an outgoing teacher. He has a good relationship with all of his students. We have cheerful. Finally, someone who's smiling, someone who's happy, someone whenever, wherever, however you look at him, he will always give you that positive face. For example, he's a cheerful person. He was laughing although he wasn't feel good. Or he's a cheerful person. He always makes me laugh no matter how I feel. If you made it till here, thanks for watching my video. Comment down or let me know which one of these adjectives describes you the most. Which one of these adjectives do you use to describe yourself? If you want to use 3 of these adjectives, which one would you like to use the most? Subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Share the video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next part of this series.